Your boy. I'm back again with another video. I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, irrespective of the location, so that wherever you is in different parts of the world. So right here is your boy. I'm here to give you an update as regards to ISUS. So it has been long. ISUS launch or release an announcement as regards to their projects. So, but just of recent, when Bitcoin dropped drastically, so they make an announcement as regards to crypto financial issues and all the rest. So definitely right now, I'm here to give you just a little quick info as regards to their current update or current info to their project. So right now, their announcement as regards to their project was details on their X account. So let's just quickly go to the X account. So let me show you. This is their announcement. So this is the announcement. So you can see say cryptocurrency market as we have been analyzed for a long time has been experienced a significant decline. This benefits us all because you can earn external cryptocurrency with the Isusgo ecosystem. They're actually talking about the cryptocurrency market, how the current market has dropped drastically. So, and right now, they are showing vividly that it is a big opportunity for crypto end users because once crypto drop or BTC drop, it's an opportunity for buyers or others who want to investors want to buy can actually buy as a financial advice for them to buy to actually earn more reward through their buying system. So it's a project that are unproductive and failed to keep pace with the time will disappear. We continue to carefully and patiently build the core components of the ecosystem. We are always here. We will announce many news innovation. We may be limping along now, but we are confident we will make a run for it. 99.5% of the website app are program on earth don't generate any revenue to their users. 90% of crypto projects operate in a futile manner. We will make a difference. Those who wish can wait patiently, or they can bow their head and come back later, but they will earn less. So what they're actually saying is that they are actually telling the community that though they have delay as regards to the project, they have delay. Say, but their delay is on how to make sure they deliver a successful project to the community so that the community can earn more. So as regards to that, they are actually pointing out to other crypto projects that have failed woefully to their during their process of listing on their tokens. So, but on their case, they don't want such things to happen to the community. So that if you don't want to wait or you are tired, you can actually just buy your head and leave, or come back later for you to earn less of the token or earn less on their token when being listed. So, but right now they have also launched their ISUS wallet. You can actually download the wallet through the download the link. So this is the Isusgo wallet that they have launched of recent as regards to the announcements. So let me just walk with you so that you can download the wallet and let us check on it. So you can download it from their official website, which is wallet.isusgo.io. So this is where you can download it. So you can download it. I'll leave the link in the description below for you to actually download it. So let me just click on it. So right now, so this is it. So you can just click on the ISUS wallet download. So just click on the download. So it's downloading right now. So let's just wait patiently. So right now, so this is the ISUS wallet. You can see it here on my dashboard right now. So I'll click on it. Let us see. So this is it. So you can log in with your private key. Before now, if you go to your if you go to your main ISUS wallet, there is a a wallet, so that you have a private key. So you can impute it right now to see, or that is, you can impute it. You can impute your private key right now. Just import it right now to see your whole balance. So right now is your main ISIS wallet and your ISIS app. So if you click right now, you click on your hot wallet. Just click on it. Click on the hot wallet. So the hot wallet is not opening. So I don't know. Maybe it's a system issue. So they will work on it. So it's a system issue. So this just it. So you can, on this hot wallet there is a private key, a passphrase. So those passphrase you can import it on the normal wallet that ISUS has launched. So you can open it right there. I'm trying to access the impute the passphrase, but it's not working. So I want to try another method. I'll create a new one. I'll just create a new wallet passphrase again. I'll just create a new wallet. Then let me try access the old one. So that's what I want to do right now. So let's just wait. Let me create it. So I need to do, I'll just say create. So you will add your email, your password, then you retype the email, then your referral code is optional. But I'll leave the referral code in the description below. So right now I'll just click on create. So I'll click on create, say error. Please try with another email or login. So I'll try with another email or login. So I'm trying another email right now. So let me try another email. So it shows success. Your wallet created, please login. So it has created. So the email that I used first was the one that I used on my social value. I said social value. ISUS that I use for my ISUS Make app, but it's not working. So I have to use another new email. So this is my passphrase right now for this new one. But I'll copy my old passphrase for my account. That's what I will use. That's what I will use, because on this passphrase I can't log into my old account wait to check my balance. So I'll copy it right now. So right now, so this is the main interface of the wallet. So you can see it. You have a transfer. You have not connected your wallet in iTunes app. So you can see it. So you will use another email. Then you will connect your wallet on the iTunes, which is the hot wallet. So the hot wallet before now it has a passphrase. So you can connect it by imputing the passphrase right here when you have already created another account or this wallet. Before you can impute that passphrase, then maybe you can access it. I'll try it. So right here is your, so this is just the interface. So right here is your deposit, your withdraw. Then here is your deposit, here your swap. Then this is your trade. Then accept. So let's just check one of them. So right now, if you click on the withdraw, so you can impute your withdrawal address right here. Then you will receive the amount of ISUS you want to send from the ISUS app. So this is what we show right here. So here's the deposit. If you want to make a deposit, this is the deposit address you can use for your ISUS on the wallet. So in case you want to send from other wallet, then swap. If you want to swap your ISUS to another coin, so this is the swapping area. So that's for the swapping there. Right here is the trade. So maybe you take any trade. The current price of ISUS is 0.02. So based on their pre-sales and all the recs, so this is the amount is showing right now. So you can see it. So this is the current amount. So this is the current amount. So the amount is showing right now. So here's the assets. So these are the different assets on the ISUS wallet. Matis, the current price of Matis, BTC, current price of BTC is 91 right now. So Ethereum is 3041, BNB, so on and so forth. So this is the highest use price, 0.02. So and the price is still going, it's still shooting up. So just keep on mining because we don't know. Keep on mining and keep on accumulating through the game process. Just be playing the game to accumulate more of the token. So this is just all about the wallet. But my next video, I will show you how to input the passphrase and try to access your old hot wallet balance right here. So in not past like this. If you find this video helpful, do well to like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please turn on the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to receive it. Thank you. Peace out.